Number 1.
1996 Ford F-150, price $9,950, highly original and well-preserved 4x4 short bed pickup powered by a dependable 5.8L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 80,000 original miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered truck stands out for both its condition and originality. Finished in a clean white exterior over a blue interior, it has clearly been cared for throughout its life and still presents exceptionally well inside and out. This F-150 comes nicely equipped with desirable factory features including power windows, power door locks, and a power rear sliding window, along with several other convenience options.
The truck runs and drives great, starts easily, and recently received a brand new battery.
According to the owner, it has been a Nevada truck since day one after originally being purchased at Gaudin Ford, helping preserve its excellent overall condition.
Number 2.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,600. This truck has 191,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering solid performance while still being fuel efficient. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a brown interior, this gasoline-powered pickup runs good and has been well maintained. It features a newer AC system that blows cold, power windows and door locks, 5% ceramic tint, SS454 style rims wrapped with oversized tires, and an old-school CD player radio setup. The truck also comes with custom graphics, a clean dashboard with no cracks, and no warning lights or known issues. Side steps have been installed for easier access, and it currently has new tags and registration valid until next year. The vehicle comes with a clean blue title in hand.
Number 3.
1996 Ford F-150, price $10,000, equipped with a strong 5.0L V8 engine and a dependable 4x4 drivetrain. It has 181,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a burgundy exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The owner recently completed a full tune-up using Mobil 1 oil, fresh Motorcraft spark plugs, new spark plug wires, and a new distributor cap.
The truck runs smooth and passed California smog inspection without any issues.
A large amount of maintenance and replacement work has also been done to keep it driving excellent, including a new transmission, new California-compliant catalytic converter, motor seals, water pump, fresh coolant, new coolant hoses, belts, fuel pumps for both tanks, fuel filters, and a new mass airflow sensor. Additional upgrades include heavy-duty leaf springs, heavy-duty coil springs, wheel bearings, front brake rotors, upgraded 265/75 or 15 Toyo tires, and fresh brake pads.
Number 4.
2000 Nissan Frontier, price $5,500, well-kept compact pickup showing only 89,000 original miles. Finished in a silver exterior paired with a gray interior, this Frontier comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is described as being in excellent overall condition for its age. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives very well with no known mechanical problems whatsoever. Buyers are welcome to bring their own mechanic for inspection, showing confidence in the vehicle's condition and reliability. The truck is also smog-ready and currently registered with up-to-date tags, making it ready for the road immediately. The vehicle carries a salvage title due to a minor fender bender in the past. The seller states that only the fender needed replacement and that the airbags were never deployed, remaining fully intact after the incident.
Number 5.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 TBI engine paired with an automatic transmission and running on gasoline. Finished in a brown exterior with a tan interior, the truck still presents well for its age and carries a solid overall appearance. It features some faded clear coat and natural patina on the roof. Mechanically, it does have a cooling system issue where air is entering the system and pushing coolant into the reservoir, causing the engine to run hot when climbing hills. However, there is no coolant mixed in the oil. The truck was equipped with aftermarket air conditioning, which worked after being recharged, although the belt was later removed and never reinstalled. Additional features include a 4-inch lift kit with extended brake lines, brand new 35-inch tires, a Bluetooth stereo system with kicker dash speakers, and a rare color-matched camper shell with locking access. A new catalytic converter was installed last year.
Number 6.
1973 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000, very dependable and reliable classic truck that runs and drives strong with a solid 350 engine paired to an automatic transmission. Showing 75,000 miles, this gasoline-powered truck features a clean white exterior matched with a white interior, giving it a timeless vintage look. the engine has received several performance upgrades, including a high-performance Edelbrock intake manifold, an AVS2 Edelbrock carburetor, an HEI electronic ignition system, and a PowerMaster starter. The truck starts up consistently every time and delivers strong performance on the road. Additional recent maintenance includes a new gas tank and sending unit, while the brake system was recently purged and works properly with no issues. It also sits on brand new Pro Comp wheels wrapped in tires with approximately 80% tread remaining.
Number 7.
1997 Ford F-150, price $6,800, well-maintained 4x4 pickup with desirable third-door access, 183,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a green exterior powered by a gasoline engine. The truck has recently undergone extensive mechanical servicing to improve reliability and performance. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a new radiator hoses, serpentine belt, idler and tensioner pulleys, spark plugs and wires, battery, fuel injectors, AC compressor and lines, front and rear shocks, front brake rotors and pads, as well as transmission, transfer case,
And differential services.
Additional improvements include a replaced heater core and lines, upgraded LED instrument cluster lighting, new window motors, and fresh brake and power steering fluid services.
Number 8.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900. This truck is powered by a strong 4.3L V6 engine paired with a manual transmission and currently has 192,000 miles on the odometer. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a brown interior and runs on gasoline. According to the seller, the engine runs very strong with no leaks or major mechanical issues, making it a solid and dependable 4x4 pickup. The four-wheel drive system was recently repaired, and the clutch was replaced just a few months ago, helping ensure smooth performance both on and off the road. It also comes equipped with brand new tires mounted on stylish Eagle Alloy 15 wheels, featuring wider 10.5-inch rear rims and 8.5-inch front rims that give the truck a more aggressive and custom appearance. The truck comes with a clean title and registration valid through 2026.
Number 9.
1988 GMC S15, price $5,000, clean and well-maintained compact pickup showing 99,000 miles with a manual transmission and a gasoline-powered engine. Finished in brown with a matching brown interior, the truck has been well cared for over the years and still presents nicely both inside and out. The interior remains in good condition, while the paint continues to shine well for its age, giving the truck a classic and original appearance. Several important maintenance items have recently been replaced, including a new starter, battery, clutch, rear brakes, and wiper motor, helping make it a reliable daily driver or weekend cruiser. It also comes with a great-looking set of wheels and tires that complement the truck nicely.
Number 10.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, solid classic pickup powered by a reliable V6 engine paired with a 5-speed transmission. With 224,000 miles on the odometer, the truck still runs and drives great and has been kept largely in its original condition. It features a clean blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a classic early 90s appearance that stands out nicely. This gasoline-powered truck comes with current registration and has recently received several updates, including brand new tires and a new radiator. Aside from those maintenance upgrades, everything else on the truck remains original, which adds to its authentic character and appeal.